Sometimes the best way to stand up for what's right is to sit down. On this day 50 years ago, four young men walked into the Woolworth store in Greensboro, North Carolina. They sat at a counter to have some lunch, and that simple act sparked a revolution. At that time in the Jim Crow South, many lunch counters and restaurants were segregated. Blacks were not allowed to sit in whites-only sections. The peaceful defiance of that day and the next week of protests there led to sweeping change throughout the South as students and activists followed the example of the Greensboro Four. In 1964, the Civil Rights Act would mandate desegregation of public places. Today, that lunch counter takes its rightful place in American history as the focal point of a civil rights museum built in the old Woolworth store. There may be no such thing as a free lunch, but there was a lunch that made this nation a little freer. That's a page from my notebook. I'm Couric, CBS News.